What up, everybody? This is a Reviews with Daniel production. Enjoy the video. This is Daniel from Reviews with Daniel. Today I will be doing an unboxing on some stuff that I bought from Amazon. Yesterday, August 27th, which was a Friday, I received a package in the mail. Hopefully this package is my RAM sticks that I recently bought for my new MacBook Pro 2011. So without further ado, let's get into the package. All right, here's my package that I received yesterday, which was Friday. It came in the mail. Well, it came straight from Amazon, so it's in the Amazon packet and all that stuff. My wife opened it already without me asking her to open it, and so this is kind of it's an open pack, but it's kind of an unboxing for me as well, because I wasn't able to see it when she opened the pack up. So let's see what's in it. So I have a 2.5 SATA hard drive SSD to USB 3.0 adapter. This allows me to hook up my SSD. This allows me to hook up to my SSD to the computer and transfer all of my files and stuff. All my files, my programs and everything to the new SSD that I'm putting in my MacBook. And this was about, I think this was about like $7 for this. I got off of Amazon. So it's Windows and Mac OS compatible. It's a SSD 2.5 SATA. It's a USB 3.0 high speed, and it's a 2.5 SATA. And this is what it is. All right. The next item that I bought, this is the RAM for my MacBook Pro. This itself was like $60, $63. This is a TimeTech 16 gigabyte kit. It's 2 RAM sticks of 8 gigabytes, which equals up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is supposed to make my MacBook, my 2011 MacBook, much faster than what it is. I know for my MacBook, when I was reading the specs on it, it came with 2 4 gigabyte sticks of RAM. So I was looking at the other videos on YouTube and doing the reviews and stuff like that, doing a lot of research, and they say for the MacBook Pro 2011 and 2012, 16 gigabytes is the highest that you can go in RAM. So I got this to speed it up. So hopefully I'll be getting my MacBook here pretty soon. All right, so these are the things that I got, and see, this is my my RAM sticks. So I received this, a 2.5 SATA hard drive SSD to USB 3.0 adapter, and I received my RAM sticks for my MacBook. If this is the first time you're watching my video, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell down below for more updates on more of my videos. And here's 2 more videos here and here.